All right, the big problem with tipping in the US is how much they want in a tip. It's no problem to give some money for a tip, but now they want 20 to 30% in tip, and it's getting way out of control. Well, as a bartender and being in the service industry like most of my adult life, I'm always gonna tip 20%. Like that's just what I tip. But you can never go wrong if you do like $1 for a beer, $2 for a cocktail. You can't go wrong with that. But the thing I don't like about American tip culture is it is getting out of control because some things, like I'm tipping for a service. If you've done something for me, I'm gonna tip you. Like if you have provided a service, then I believe you deserve a tip. But like if you just went, turned around, grabbed something, get a tip for what? You know what I mean? Like you go anywhere and they pull around a little thing. Oh, how much do you want to tip today? 18, 20%, or 30%. For what? What have you done? You have done nothing. Like you grabbed something out of a fridge or you did nothing. Like every job in America does not deserve a tip. And I'm not going to tip the people. And I won't feel bad either. I'll look right at them. Nah, I'm not tipping you. You've done nothing.